right, here we have Erlinda. These ladies have it going on over here. We're at Michael's today. I'm over at Michael's teaching this acrylic pouring class, and Erlinda has just done this beautiful, beautiful painting. And we've got Pam over here. She's putting her final touches on her painting, and I think she's really proud of this painting. That is beautiful. And then, of course, we got Miss Kai. You know, she's an old pro. She's an old pro, so you know she should be teaching this class really. But I am so proud of these ladies and their work. I'm gonna let you get a close up of that. That is beautiful. How you feeling, Pam?
Pretty good.
You feel good about your work? Are you happy with your design?
Very happy.
Okay.
There are no mistakes.
No mistakes. There are no mistakes in art. That's correct. Linda, how about you? What are you thinking about the class?
I love it.
You love it?
Like she said, no mistakes.
No
you come
mistakes.
in and you just express yourself and do what you need to do.
Are you feeling like you're going to be addicted to it?
I think
you're going to have to be.
Yeah, I think I am.
All right, very good. I'm Sharita Cadenhead, and I am teaching an acrylic pouring class here at Michael's. We've just got 2 students today. Last week we have 5, and I'm going to be reducing the class size from 8 to 5 because with 5 people you have just enough people to just enough room for 5 people. So this is a painting that Erlinda did. This is one of mine, and this is one that Pam is this your, this is Kai's painting, and this is Pam's painting over here. This is a swipe, and this is a swipe. Okay, these are all done from single pours.